The Meghalaya Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma has called for relocation of the state's indigenous communities who are residing in Bangladesh if the situation escalates in the neighboring country. He said that helping people should be based on humanitarian grounds and not religion. He was referring to the Khasi, Pnar and Garo communities residing in Bangladesh. Sangma said that the prevailing situation in Bangladesh is going to directly affect the communities residing within and beyond the borders.
All the Garo citizens, the Khasi, Jaintia citizens living along the border inside the Bangladesh side, if anything happen, any untoward incident happen, yes, definitely they will try to take a refuge in our country, in our state. That time, I think the decision has to be find, and we have to explore the possibility. What should we do? Should we say no, or should we help them on humanitarian ground? That is to be decided by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, and also the state government. Yes, definitely, there will be never say no on humanitarian ground to save the life of any citizen.
All citizens of Meghalaya